You so good, Andrew. And I not say because so good, you know, Batty boy, because still you blood clot Jamaica, you know. Andrew, you and your so good government, you know, so what you do yesterday? The 700,000 house on the bill for the people there for Melissa. Wanna have the billions of dollars slump on. Wanna vote against it and so they not be no host to the blood clot for people them because they know what the plan for do with Jamaican and Jamaican people. But that for reach somehow the dirty blood clot down there. Cause you see when people open their mouth and attack, I wanna see them one blush blood clot, mama son. But listen no. You see them wickedness when I do to Jamaica. Prime Minister Junior, when you go suck out your blood clot, mama, and suck your father balls. Drunk crow. Dark shit, are you first jump up and say, no, no, been out to the Jamaican city. So the XL people them for the I said this morning, Parliament, Jamaica Ocean are dep on fire. Jamaica Ocean dep on fire, Jamaica Ocean are under fire now. 700 hours on the sound and now been known for the poor people them. Who want the XL people them for the dirty Andrew, suck with Andrew and Bigfoot Juliet? I don't me the pamina, the pan about the
Jamaica, I told y'all what Mr. Holness' plans were. I told y'all that this old Nara shit is going to give him the privilege and the power to take your land from you and develop it up and put you somewhere else. See it start at St. Elizabeth there. See it start at St. Elizabeth there. Him say the people them have to move from Parottee go to Melbourne. See it start there. I tell you now. So Mr. Holness keep on proving me right. I tell you all what was going to happen. See it there, it start happening right now. Mr. Holness, the people in Parottee have to go move from the beach side. Yeah, them have to go move to Melbourne and the people them down there create havoc right, you know. Yeah. Murder Jamaica, yes, so nice. It's not really nice, you know, but me just use it.
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi Reactivities. For the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. And to about today, guys, on to our video. It is all about the Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness, whereby he has just clashed with the Parottee residents, and towards the main reasons to it is because he wants to give out their lands and to foreigners, which are the Chinese and the whites. So I want you guys to watch this entire video to the end, and I'll be back with more.
Declaration this evening from residents of Parottee in St. Elizabeth over an announcement from the Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, that they will be relocated. Now, the coastal community was devastated by Hurricane Melissa, and residents have been struggling to rebuild. Krista Campbell has details.
Devastated seaside community in St. Elizabeth and a government's plan to relocate those unable to rebuild. But not even heavy rains could stop the people of Parottee from sending this message on Tuesday.
The Prime Minister have been right to say what he must say, but he not right because I have to come ask you what we want. No, we live here. What we have about?
I come here, I'm in a left for business I run. Me a part of business community. And if a tourist come here, them have to have one room for me because I know where I go.
I am not leaving, and the whole community is standing up. They are not leaving. A boat tossed by the sea onto what's left of a backyard pool gives only a glimpse of the extensive damage Hurricane Melissa left behind here in Parottee. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has not said exactly where the residents will be relocated to, but the name of one community has already come up.
But we don't got Melbourne. Me can't play I am. Me is a fisherman. Me is a tour driver. Me can't play I am. Me have time, yes, so. But if me broke right now, Chuka area for me not gonna play ball right now. For me have people should come, Chuka area never turn them back.
There is no plot of land which have been used for farming within this area, right? Most of the residents they benefit from the sea.
Ready to area of this and there's no tonal meeting. And you just hear that you have to relocate it.
Blocks, steel, sand, and other construction materials are evidence that the rebuilding process is far advanced here in Parottee. And two-story buildings like the one behind me are even clearer evidence that the people intend to rebuild in the only community they say they've known, which is why their response is clear.
Well, I'm like my third generation fisherman in my family. So if Andrew relocate me, I don't have nowhere to put my equipment on my boat, so I cannot leave.
After Hurricane Melissa, I myself have spent over $5 million to renovate my house. And to hear that I have to relocate, that's not nice. And I'm not.
Good morning, world. So I've just saw it on the news where Andrew, big nose Andrew, me not like you. You are wicked to the Jamaican people. I may not stop talking. You will never ever see Bruce Golding. You can never ever walk in on none other former Prime Minister. Andrew, you are the wickedest, you are the most corrupted Prime Minister that God ever put in a Jamaica. You have the Jamaican people them on a spell from India, and it's like they are so blind that them can't even see how wicked you are. Now Melissa had taken everything from a lot of us in St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. We have lost almost everything, but the greatest thing, we have life and we are on top of our grave, and that is something to give thanks for. Now I saw it on the news where Andrew will relocate the people them from Parottee in Black River and put them where, because you want the beach side to sell out to your Chinese friend them and pocket the money for your Labour Party people on a door move. If you don't have a black road, on a black road. Because we are the government and we pay them. So them not have more talk more than we are, because no for uno Jamaican, uno don't know no right, and that's why Andrew deal with uno so. And nobody can tell me say Andrew no go to India, go have uno on a spell for uno so blind, especially to the one who want to talk about 4-term loading. And the day Andrew go to Black River, everything turned disaster. And uno blind to it. Are uno blind, uno fool, or uno stupid? Which one? Why are uno giving this man, why uno give this big nose man so much power? Andrew, you are the wickedest, you are the worst, you are every jack of every trade. You take milk out of coffee, you big nose man. But you see when God ready for you, you.
People of Jamaica, when we're gonna get rid of Andrew Holness, you know, she say, just one story, news story I go around now, say down a Parottee, St. Elizabeth. I tell the people, say them need to relocate from where they have been living for generations, because him want build hotel at the shoreline where the people them live. What can go so? That town seems like it's a town of fishermen. And he's telling them that they need to relocate so him can build a hotel. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? But I think from last year, people been and said, even me said, say him they are gonna try and get the people them land. We had talk about smart city, but a hotel him a put there. Why, sir? Can we all collectively as a people impeach this guy? Like how them did impeach Donald Trump in him last term. He might get out of hand. He's getting out of hand.
This morning, me about to address Andrew Holness. But I know someone will see the news when say the people them have Parottee down there in a Black River have to go relocate. Hear me now this morning, my boss. The people them have Parottee say they not left. The people them have Parottee say they must stick together as a community. Hear me now. Me I know the sharpest pencil in the box. But relocation mean, and relocate mean, when you left, you know, come back. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Me say, then can't come back once they left and relocate them. Hear me now, my boss. You have to understand that the storm take a lot of things from people. Some of them still have their life. Some of them only know the seaside. And so, they survive. And some of the people out there in the diaspora, We don't have to understand this. Until we in the position, we don't understand what some of them people they feel. Some of them people they don't know nothing but the seaside. I saw them provide for their family. I saw them put meal on the table. And I understand the Black River mash up. And the man said then did I go build a third city. I understand what I go on. He want to put up some new infrastructure, big word. Oh God, me there. But here when I say now, my boss, you have to include the Jamaican people them down there in a Black River or upon the seaside in the plan where you have. And that you need to do. Because here when I say to you now, if you move the people them from down there, and not build up this and create this tourists, who only sell out the place to other people. Jamaican people want a piece of the pie to me general. Who don't need to come down and look on the reality. We can't just sell out everything. Yes, we want investors in the country if we can do certain things, yes. Me not blame you upon that. But at the end of the day, the people them down there on the seaside, some of them are that them grow can know or if you go and see. Some of them don't know nothing else. So you have to put the people them in the plan. When you say relocation, what you try to say, then if you tap on the gas and lift clutch. And that you say. And the people them of Black River are down there in a Parottee. So they're not left. They must stick together. You understand? Where some of the people them fi go. Where no one put them. Some of them don't know if they survive. Nowhere else. Majority of down there can't swim. And that then do go a sea. Go catch what them a catch and sell. And then hustling. Me understand say the place have to develop, you know. Don't get it twisted. You understand? But at the same time, include them down there. Well, live there in the plan where you have. Now just come tell them about relocation. Come have a meeting with the people them and sit down with them and make them know say, yeah, we are going to go on. We are going to develop down here. And we are going to make sure so we don't get a piece of the cake too. Because the cake is big. We don't know about it seems like we don't bully the people them. But people, me want to know, tell me where you know think about the situation. Down there in a St. Elizabeth, Black River. You understand? One front line.
Sir Jackfruit blood clot nose. A.K.A. Andrew Holness. Sir Jackfruit nose. Mr. Brohag. A.K.A. no love for Jamaican people. So could Andrew Holness. Come here. Come to the front of class, sir. Free speech. I'm using it. Yeah, no one life is being threatened. No, come here. So could Andrew Holness, I need you to step forward to the front of the class because I do not understand. What you mean? You are move bumbuckler Jamaican poor people from when them born and grow and them family and alive leave them land give them. And you attack, take it upon yourself. You big and mighty, so could Andrew Holness, puppet Andrew Holness. You are the only one that decided that you are going to relocate the people them. Yeah, say the people them go plant blood clot yam and a fisherman them. How the bumbuckler you can send fishermen to go plant yam? Eh? You want the man to go chop and dig off them foot and their hand, chop off their hand and their foot? Eh? The man then over to a rod and go to a bumbuckler see go catch them fish. You want to take away people that land to be a smart city. You bumbuckler so could Andrew Holness. You, all on the labor right now. When you come here back on the bumbuckler so could Prime Minister. Cause one thing I can tell you in the labor right. I pray say, I only should up on yourself first. We live in a bumbuckler St. Elizabeth Priory. Priory, I wait there, yeah. I hope say on the first day front of bumbuckler line and speak against the unjust Prime Minister. Yeah, when I don't love you. And nobody in that country, only in pocket and the white people them. You know, hear him already tell us as long as blood clot, he make the white people them happy, him not care about nothing. That's why America can have big warship power Bumbuckler Island. Yeah, America happy. And then when the Cuba they start retaliate and China and Bumbuckler Russia, Jamaica go feel it. Yeah, now this sucker boy I tell me people them say want to relocate them because him have intentions for them land. Yeah, only because him have intentions for them land, that's why him tell these people about how you going to relocate them. Relocate the people them say them not moving. Jamaican people them say them not move. The man said, one of the person said, him is a third generation fisherman. Where man carrying boat them go, and one lady said she spent $5 million for build up back our place after Melissa. So, what is it that the government intend to do? Take these people and put them in a container after some of these people have 3-story house. What will they be compensated? I heard Bruce Golding asking America and Andrew Holness, where is the money after and kick out China and Cuba out of the country? Who is going to get it? Not Jamaican people. Hey, they say that a civil war will be breaking out soon down there, and Jamaican people may openly make it be an island-wide spread, and everybody go make Andrew Holness resign. Who no go cry if Andrew Holness resign? He is too cruel and wicked towards the people. Him not no love. Melissa pass and gone, almost a year coming. A few months make it a year. Melissa Bumbakla pass and gone. People still are suffer. People still are hungry. And now him no roll out none of the plan them. All him do sell Jamaican people dreams. But the Labour them now gonna like me because I talk the truth. And me use my free speech. Yeah, me not threaten him. Me not tell him say no. No. He is the Bumbakla biggest thief and most powerful man in Jamaica right now. So how me if he go like say me want to threaten nobody's life? No, who is me? I will not threaten no one life. Nobody whatsoever. No. I just don't like the thing he is doing. And I am an entertainer. So Sir Jackfruit blood clot note. So could Andrew Holness. Me no business, it's called free speech. Your life is not being threatened. If you want to feel away, me no blood clot business. Do better in our country and do better for my people them. And I will respect you and approach you better. Yes, but I don't know me already my side. And Jamaica people, worldwide people, I mean, TikTok said to press the go live button. Please press the go live button my side. Yeah, TikTok said to tell you no, please press the go live button. Yeah. Press the go live. But I don't know me already. This video is for entertainment purpose only. Like, share, follow me.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you've watched this entire video to the end and you have seen and heard whatever is going on. And to abide, you have seen it is a clash between Andrew Holness and the Parottee residents, whereby he is trying to take their land and trying to flee them out of their homes so as he can grab the land and, give it out to foreigners, which are the Chinese and the whites. What kind of a leader does that? Whereby you come and take or rather grab the land of your citizens so as you can give it to the foreigners, so as they can build, big hotels and things of the such. Even if it's investing, or even if there is a future in it, are you supposed to flee the people out of their belongings, their lands, their homes? Where do you expect them to go? Okay, it would have been good if he had options to give them on to where they are going to stay and live. But I don't think he has got that. He just wants them out. And so that's the main reasons why the Parottee residents were angry, and they are angry mainly because of the operation that they are receiving from their Prime Minister, someone whom they are relying on, someone whom they expect to protect them, to think about their whereabouts and how they're going to survive onto their country. But again, the person whom they expect him to do so, he is going against them and going against their will. Okay, you would have given them the notice, but at it again, you would have given them reasons and places where they are going to start again, so as you could take the lands and whatever, give it to the foreigners, but not just wake up on a certain morning and go to the extent that you have just made the decision that I want the Parottee residents to shift so as I can give out their land. This is what is going on in Jamaica. Their beaches are being closed down so as they can be shifted on to being private beaches. And in that case, we have got a lot of, we've got varieties of private beaches in Jamaica. It just yesterday when there was another beach that was enclosed. When Jamaicans woke up in the morning, they found their beach fenced. So means it's going to be private. A lot of Jamaicans are depending on fishing. This is a place where it is supposed to be public, so as citizens, the people of the country can come and enjoy themselves. Now, even if it's about the economics, mainly because you want to earn from tourism. Do you think it's favorable for you to enclose each and every beach and keep it private so as you can benefit from it, mainly because this man, as it is seeming, he just want to benefit from it all? Maybe he might be knowing that this is the last term he's serving as the Prime Minister of Jamaica or something of the sort. But whatever he is doing unto the people of Jamaica, I do not agree unto it. For what we usually expect from our leaders is sovereignty, is loyalty. Leaders whom will keep their promises. And even though you are not going to accomplish all promises that you have told us, or rather promised us, then just do some of it. We want to see leaders whom are working for the people and the country, not leaders whom are oppressing the people and leaders whom are thinking about themselves on how they're going to earn from it and benefit from it, and not corrupt leaders, more so not puppet leaders, leaders whom bow down for foreigners, for white people to be more specific. How are you going to grab land from your people so as you can give it to foreigners, Chinese, white people? Mainly because the reason is that they want to build big hotels, big businesses there, and something of the sort, which you are the one whom has got the information onto it. We as the citizens, we have no clue on whatever is supposed to going on there. What we are receiving is that we need to shift, we need to go, we are being evicted even without notice. That's so very much insane. For the people of, or rather the Parottee's residents, I think it's time for you to come around and wake up and stand for your rights. Don't you let the oppression get into you. What you need is get up, stand up for your right, and you're going to be heard. And whatever you possess is going to remain unto you. So guys, let me know whatever you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us. Thank you very much guys for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I do want to say is peace out there.